Hello friends, today we start new chapter similarity from part second of class 10. So first we see a ratio of areas of two triangles. So here we consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In first triangle base is BC, height is AD. In second triangle base is QR and height is PS. So see, in triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. In triangle PQR, PS is the height and QR is the base. So the area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. So in first triangle base is BC, height is AD. So we write area of triangle ABC equals to half of BC into AD, and area of triangle PQR, that is half of QR into PS. So half get cancel, we get BC into AD upon QR into PS. So we write a ratio of areas of triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR equals to BC into AD upon QR into PS. Suppose base of triangle is B1 and height is H1. Base of another triangle is B2 and height is H2. Then the ratio of their areas equals to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Suppose some conditions are imposed on these two triangles, that is base may be same or height may be same or both base and height may be same. So we see next topic. If height of both triangles are equal, so that we call first condition. So see these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in which we show height is same. So here we denote this height AD by H and this height PS by H. So a ratio of areas of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR equals to, so we write here base into height, base is BC, height is H. So BC into H. For area of triangle PQR, base is QR and height is PS. So we write QR into H. So HH get cancelled, we get BC upon QR. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR equals to B1 upon B2 when height is same. So from this we say property as the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. That means when height is same, then the ratio of areas of two triangle is the ratio of their bases. Now see second condition. If the base of both triangles are equal, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB equals to, now we consider two triangles in one diagram in which base is same. So see the triangle ABC, so we denote, so we see this diagram ABC. So triangle ABC is this, and triangle APB, which we denoted by dotted. So in both triangles height is same, base is same, that is AB, height is different, that is H1 and H2. So we write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle APB equals to, that is base into height, so base is AB, height is CD, so in place of CD we denote it by H1, and area of triangle APB equals to, so we write here base is AB and height is H2. So we cancel this AB, we get H1 upon H2. So from this we say the ratio of areas of two triangles with equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. That means when two triangles are given, if their base is same and we have to find the areas or ratio, then we find the ratios of their height only. Now see the example based on this topic. So see the first question of practice set 1.1. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. So first we find the area of triangle having base 9 and height 5. So we write here area of triangle 1 equals to half into base is 9, height is 5. So 9 5s are 45. So we get area of triangle 1 as 45 upon 2. Now we calculate area of triangle second. So area of triangle second equals to half into base is 10, height is 6. So 10 6 the 60, 60 divided by 2 we get 30. Therefore the ratio of areas of triangle will be area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2. So we calculate area of first triangle, that is 45 by 2, area of second triangle, that is 30. So we write here 40 by 2 upon 30. So after cross multiplying this we get 45 upon 2 into 1 upon 30. So after calculating or after dividing 45 by 15 and 30 by 15 we get here 3 by 2. So 2 into 2 4, we get the answer 3 by 4. Now see the second question. If figure 1.13 BC perpendicular to AB, this BC perpendicular to AB, AD perpendicular to AB, this AB perpendicular to AB, BC equals to 4, AD equals to 8. Then find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. So here triangle ABC and triangle ADP has common base. So see these two separate diagrams for triangle ABC and for triangle ADB. So base is AB here. So we write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ABD equals to height of triangle ABC upon height of triangle ADB. Because base is same, so we have property area of triangle with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. So the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB we write here as BC upon AD. So the value of BC we substitute 4, value of AD we substitute 8. So 4 upon 8 we get 1 by 2. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB equals to 1 by 2. In adjoining figure 1.14, this is figure 1.14, sec PS perpendicular to RQ. This PS perpendicular to RQ. If RQ equals to 6, so here RQ is 6, PS is equals to 6, this PS is 6, and PR equals to 12, this PR is equals to 12, then find QT. So we have to find this QT. So we consider here triangle PQR. First we consider its height as PS, then we consider height as TQ, because both are the height of triangle PQR, so their area must be same. So using that concept we find the value of QT, that is height QT. Consider area of triangle PQR with base QR. So we find the area of triangle PQR considering base as QR. So height is PS. So PS will be the height. Now consider the area of triangle PQR with base PR. So then next time we consider this PR as base and this TQ as its height, that is QT will be the height. Since the triangle is the same, the area will be the same irrespective of their base taken. So in this triangle we consider RQ as base, then we consider PS as its height. When we consider PR as its base, then we consider TQ as its height. And in both cases triangle is same, so we get area of that triangle must be same. So using that we solve it. We know that area of triangle equals to half into base into height. So we write here half into QR into PS. So we consider here this QR as base and this PS as height. So we write half into QR into PS equals to. So next time we consider here PR as its base and TQ as its height. So we write this as equals to 1 by 2 into PR into QT. So half get cancelled. We substitute the value of QR, that is RQ, 6, value of PS, that is again 6, value of PR, that is 12. So after cancelling this 1 by 2, after dividing by 6 to this 12, we get 2 3s are 6. So we get QT equals to 3. So see question number 4. In the adjoining figure, AP perpendicular to BC, AD parallel to BC. Then find area of triangle ABC. So this is area, this is triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. This is triangle BCD. If you observe these two diagram, in first triangle height is given, that is AP is the height because AP perpendicular to BC. So this AP is the height of triangle ABC. And in second part, this BCD, in triangle BCD height is not given, so we draw perpendicular from this point D on base BC. So here DO is the height of triangle BCD. Now here if you observe, these two lines are given, AD and BC parallel, so the height must be same, that is AP equals to DO. So we use the concept, when base is same and when height is same, then their ratio must be 1:1. So we write it by procedure. We can redraw the figure 1.15 as shown in above, where we add DO. So add DO, that means we draw a perpendicular from D on side BC, which will be the height of triangle BCD. So this is height of triangle BCD. So this DO is the height of triangle BCD. Now area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD equals to AP upon DO, because base is same. Here base is BC, here base is BC. So in triangle ABC base is BC, and in triangle BCD also base is BC. So we write here only area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD equals to AP upon DO. By using the property, area of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. Now if you observe here, these lines are parallel, so this AP must be equals to DO. So AP upon DO, after cancelling we get 1. So this ratio must be 1:1. So we write here reason, the distance between the two parallel lines is always equal. So AP equals to DO. Therefore area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD is equals to 1, that is 1:1. Question number 5. In adjoining figure, PQ perpendicular to BC, AD perpendicular to BC, then find the following ratios. in figure 1.16, this PQ perpendicular to BC, this AD perpendicular to BC is given. We have to find a ratio. So first ratio is area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Now we draw separate diagrams for triangle PQB and triangle PBC. If we observe, their height is same, that is PQ. So we use the property area of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. So that means we have to find the ratios of area which is equals to the ratio of bases because height is same. So area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC equals to, so in first triangle base is BQ, so we write here BQ. In second triangle base is BC, so we write upon BC. Therefore required answer is BQ upon BC. Now see the second example. We have to find area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC. So we separate these two triangles first. So first triangle is PBC, and second triangle is ABC. Now if you observe these two diagrams, their base is same, BC, but height is different. So we use the property area of triangles with equal bases are proportional to their corresponding heights. That means we have to take a ratio of heights, that is the ratio of areas of that two triangles. So we write here answer area of triangle PBC upon area of triangle ABC equals to PQ upon AD, because in triangle PBC base is BC, in triangle ABC base is BC, but heights are PQ and AD, so we write PQ upon AD. See third, we have to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC. So we separate these two triangles first. This is triangle ABC and this is triangle ADC. Now in this two diagram, height is same, that is AD, but base is different. So we use the property areas of triangles with equal heights are proportional to their corresponding bases. That means we have to find the ratio of bases only. So the base of triangle ABC is BC and base of triangle ADC is DC. So we write in answer as area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADC equals to BC upon DC. Now see the last example. We have to find the ratio of area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle PQC. So here triangle ADC and this is triangle PQC. So here we have seen that both base and height are not same. So we write for area of triangle ADC as half into. So in triangle ADC base is DC, height is AD, so we write AD into DC. In second triangle PQC base is QC and height is PQ, so we write half into PQ into QC. So half get cancelled, we get value AD into DC upon PQ into QC. This is the answer. So in this way we can solve exercise 2.1